Alright, I just wanted to make this video because there's a lot of people saying that you have to have a tech generator to run this cryopod. And as you can see, it is hooked up. My tech generator is not on. And I will show you that this does work. So you don't have to believe all these people that say you have to have the tech generator. I feel like I just wasted my resources doing this, but watch. We'll turn this off, go back in, everything's off. Okay, so we'll go turn the generator on. Turn the generator on, go back in. Okay, everything's powered because the generator's working. Nothing needs electricity now. Okay, now let's see. It's on. It's working. We got cryopods in there. Let's turn this sucker back off. Okay, and then as you can see, everything is back off again. Air conditioners. Nothing has power. And we'll go turn the generator back on. And as you can see, everything is back on, including the cryo fridge, which you don't need the tech generator to run. So, if you don't want to make a tech generator, you don't have to. You can run it with a regular generator. That means you can take this thing, build it wherever you want to, and your tech replicator, which the tech replicator is easy to get. If you go do a supply drop on Extinction, here I don't know if there's any out here, but we can go look real quick. Sometimes there's a drop. I just did a yellow one a while ago, so there may not be any. I don't know what all supply drops you get the blueprint or the tech generator or the tech replicator at, but I do know I just got one out of a yellow drop just a minute ago. I did the blue ones. I didn't pay attention if I get it because I don't think you actually have to learn it. Once you pick it up, I think it automatically just comes up that you've learned it. Let's see. Hopefully we can find one. That way I can at least show you guys. I'm sure you guys probably know what these are. But just in case you don't, I will go look and see if I can't find one. You just basically want to look for smoke coming up on the horizon because generally you can see them pretty far away. I'm not seeing any. It generally doesn't take that. You can normally see them for a pretty good distance. Alright, well, I'm not seeing any at all. So now I come up to look for one, there would not be one out here. Okay, I'm going to go back because I'm going to show you guys one other thing that nobody is saying anything about. I really wish I would have knew this before. I don't know if anybody has done any of the element veins. I didn't see one of them either. I was going to kind of show that off too while I was out here, but I've seen one of those either. But my next thing that I have not heard anybody talk about is the element vanes and what is best to use when you're protecting one. Now, the low 5,000 ones are super hard. You're going to get a bunch of wyverns coming in like level 3, 400. So you're going to need something good to deal with. But what I found out, you yourself can actually damage the element vane. So, you know, these enforcers are good to use against. This is my tribe mates. It sucks, but they're good to use against corrupted creatures, and that's all that's going to come with the element vanes. But these Blonnosaurs, I've been breeding them, trying to get some really good ones. This swipe attack will hurt the element vane. If you hit the element vane with it, it will hurt. Your bullet attack, this will not hurt the element vane at all. Not one bit. I don't suggest using that because it doesn't do that much damage. But this Hell Swipe with the Blonnosaur, I know I'm on a boosted server, but this thing does 100,000 damage when it hits corrupted dinos. It doesn't do as much against regular dinos, but against corrupted dinos, this thing is awesome. This Hell Swipe, and it will not hurt your element vanes. Not one bit. You can get, if you have 2 people, it would be better, but you could solo the 25,000 ones and the 10,000 ones easy with a Blonnosaur. And I've been taking 2 with me just so I'll have a max boosted pair when I go to do these. But these will not hurt that element vane at all. And they destroy. They literally destroy. Alright, well, that's all I got for right now. I just want to put some stuff out there that I haven't seen anybody say anything about. And we'll go back in here one more time to show you, you do not need that generator on. You don't need it on. You don't need it on to power that, you don't need it on. There's stuff that you can't use it for, but you do not need it for these cryo fridges. And you will get, I've got all these out of drops, out of supply drops, even though the cheap little, the blue ones, I've got them out of. I got more on my Ragnarok server. I think I got one in here. And another thing, I don't know if this works on official servers, but I went over to Ragnarok, got one of my griffins, one of my wyverns, put it in the cryopod, left the cryopod in my hotbar when I transferred, and it transferred with me. I haven't tried putting one in. I heard some other people saying that that's how they got their wyverns over here. They just uploaded it in the city terminal. So, you know, if you haven't did any of the tech stuff, you know, beat any of the bosses on the other maps, you can still use this stuff over there. You don't need an element to power that thing. You don't have to worry about being on Ragnarok out in the middle of nowhere and seeing something you really want to tame and thinking, how am I going to get that back to my base? Because you can just use your cryopod. As you can see, I brung over a griffin. I had 2 over here. I took one back to Ragnarok. But they work perfect. I haven't tested these, taking them over there, but I wouldn't see why you couldn't make it here in your replicator, upload it in the city terminal, take it over there, hook it up to a generator, not a tech generator, just a regular old generator with gas in it, and get it to work. everybody, I haven't heard anyone tell anybody this. I was so disappointed. The reason I'm making this video is that I just wasted all that metal and element and crystal and poly on making this tech generator. And didn't even need it. Not one bit. Like I said, you can get these out of the drops. I know I just got one out of the yellow drop. You can get the blueprint for it. If people watch this video and you want to learn more, I will show you where to go make these at. Since you can't make them in anything you own, I can show you where the location is to take all your stuff to. All you need is a high-level RG. Put all your goods in there. It may take you 2 trips. You can set up a little box over there, drop some of it off, come back, get the rest of your stuff, go back. If anybody likes this video, then I will just let me know. I will make another video on some of the stuff that these other guys aren't telling you, because I really wished I would have known that. Anything you guys want to know, just leave it in the comments below. And I am out of here. Thank you, you guys. Have a good day.